Hi, it's Jennifer, your favorite pediatric occupational therapist, back with another video. For today's activity, you can see that I have enlisted an adorable toddler to help demonstrate our activity of water painting. Great activity for outside, and as you can see, it is very little setup. We need a container for water and a paintbrush. There are so many developmental skills that are happening in this one simple activity. He's working on the fine motor aspect of holding the paintbrush and making strokes on the ground. You can see that he is crossing midline. He's going to go back over the same stroke, so he's also working on some visual tracking. Nice shoulder strength with his arm not resting on anything. There's the gross motor aspect of squat to stand and back down to squat. The sensory aspect of the water, the temperature of the water. It's a great activity for older kids as well, as they could write their name or letters or spelling words, and you really can't go wrong with this open-ended play activity. If you had a child that was working on heavy work, we could use a larger bucket that they would have to fill with water in it so it would be heavier, and they could move it from spot to spot or carry it or hold it while they were painting to work on the bilateral coordination. He is going to work on some vertical strokes here, getting his shoulder up nice and high, and as you can see, he's also going to work on the vestibular aspect, holding that head looking up while he is painting. At this time, he realizes that it could be higher up, so we get more gross motor and cognition as well. Great problem solving. Anyway, I hope you make this activity your own. Have fun, stay safe, and